yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hey everyone, today we have a pretty chill meeting planned. We just need to go over our budget once again, and then talk about charity event.
What? Weren't budgets supposed to be done like a month ago? Peter, what's up with that?
Hey, yo, relax. Aren't you like head of publicity? We had an SAC board that was supposed to be done 3 months ago. Like,
Whoa,
what are you doing?
whoa.
Why are you lacking?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Bro, come here.
Stop.
on,
Guys, stop.
Alright.
We need to act civilized here, okay?
Yo.
Anyways, Liren, can you do attendance for us? Oh, where's Liren?
Who's Liren?
How do you know you're a report recorder?
Bro, that kid,
No,
bro,
you don't
I swear I see
How
him
do you
in
know
there.
Everybody stop. Damn. Lots to do. Anyways, Sarah, can I get you to do attendance instead?
Yeah, sure. Bilal,
Yep, I'm here.
Nicole, here. Kushi, Peter,
Hi.
Miriam, here. Avia, here. Masumi,
Here.
Janaki,
Here.
and Sarah. I'm here. Gavin.
Dude, he's not here again? He's probably sleeping. Okay, let me call him.
Call me big man if you wanna reach me. When you wanna reach me, it's okay.
Okay, he didn't pick up. I think he blocked me this morning. We were arguing because I said
Okay,
go to
okay.
can't
I'll try calling him.
That was really weird. We should go look for him. He might be in trouble.
Okay, in order to locate Davine, we're going to have to look for him in his favorite spots in the school.
Let's split up into groups and check every place. Each choose a place. We'll look. I know what I'm doing.
Peter, Cushy, and I will go to the tennis courts because Davine loves to play a good game of tennis.
Okay, you should go. Like, quick.
Fine. You know what? I'll take Avia and Sarah to the music hall. Since I know that, Davine loves to sing.
Leaving Jackie and Bilal? We're literally never gonna find Davine. With you two? Okay, I guess we'll go to the gym because Davine loves volleyball.
Let your heart be light.
Oh geez, I haven't been here in years.
Wow, there's no one nuts. How is this even a tennis court?
What even is this place? Well, it doesn't look like Davine is here anyway, so whatever.
How are you guys check around? I'll go by the dumpsters. He's probably there. Alright,
Sure.
that sounds good.
Bye.
See ya.
Alright. Right here.
Oh my God, Nicole! Oh, God.
Come on, Peter, use your strength!
I don't have any. What is this? Oh my gosh, she's not there.
I don't know about you, Peter, but I'm starting to get really scared.
From now on, our troubles will be.
Hey guys, we need to hurry this up and find Davine before Sean comes and brings us home.
I don't know what's scarier, Sean finding you in the halls or the egg sandwiches the school gives out every morning.
Hey guys, do you hear that? Someone's playing Jingle Bells in the foyer.
Avia, that's not Jingle Bells.
Oh no!
It's Sean!
Guys, it wasn't even Sean. We were scared for no.
Why did you push her down?
Listen, I had to do what was best for me.
You're so annoying. I'm gonna go find the rest of them. I don't want you coming with me.
Everyone left me. No, I'm all alone.
Maybe I can help you with that.
Out of sight.
Okay, if Davine had to be anywhere, it would be here, right?
Yeah, I heard he's really good at volleyball.
Yeah.
Oh shoot! The gym door is locked. We can't go in. You know what? Let's just play volleyball in my shoe.
Okay. Janaki, are you okay?
Oh my god.
Are you okay? I'm not. I'm so sick.
Oh my god.
What did I do?
Alright, come on, Miriam. Let's go get her a place to rest.
Okay.
Oh my god, Janaki, we need to get you a place to rest immediately. Put her down, put her down, put her down. Oh my god.
Guys, we lost her phone.
Oh no, that's crazy. How?
I don't know. Like we heard her scream and then poof's just gone.
No way.
Guys, we lost Avia too.
No way. Wait, what about the city?
Oh yeah, I can see it too.
Are you serious? Come on, guys. We need to stay together. We can't lose anybody else. Ah!
Oh my god, that must be Cindy.
You guys go. I'll take her to Jack. Okay,
Alright, let's go.
Have yourself a merry
You're going now!
little Christmas. Make the Yuletide.
Alright, Miriam and I will go upstairs and look. You guys can stay down here.
Alright, Peter, let's make sure to stick together.
Alright. What? Oh, sorry, my phone's ringing.
Are you serious? People are missing. We need to take this seriously.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have business.
No,
I'm an
what?
important
I can't-
person.
I can't take this anymore. I'm gonna leave.
Whatever. She's not worth it. Hello?
Hello. You've been randomly selected to win free food.
Oh my god, free food? This is the most excitement I've had since being in Miss Kiriko's functions class. Oh my god. Where?
Come to the school auditorium to receive your prize.
Oh my god. Wait, this isn't free food.
Gay. From now on, you're.
Well, I'm tired. We've been walking for so long.
Wait, stop talking. I think that's him.
Oh my god, Nisindu!
Oh, listen, you're here. Wait,
Oh my god.
you just stay here. I'm gonna go tell Peter and Sarah that we found you.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh no! Don't tell them. Don't tell me them too. Oh no, Miriam!
Gay. From now on.
Wait, I think I hear singing. This is so weird. No way.
The Christmas tree.
No way.
Bilal, welcome to my little get together.
Davine, this is all you?
Me?
Oh no.
Not only me.
Who else?
Him too!
No way, Nisindu! How could you do this to us?
Oh, don't blame him. He only became an addition to my scheme when he was left alone, just like me.
You're alone? That's so sad.
Well, yeah, the winter holidays, you know, have always looked so fun. But, I mean, every year I'm left alone to celebrate by myself.
But Davine, we're your friends. We want to celebrate the holidays with you. Please, just untie everyone and we can celebrate together.
Shut up. I thought that by kidnapping all of you guys, I would finally be able to celebrate the holidays with my friends, and even if they didn't want to.
You know, Davine, it's okay. We want to celebrate with you too. Here, how about this? Let's untie everybody and we can all celebrate the holidays together.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nisindu, play some music.
All right. Happy holidays, MCI! Woo! Okay, great.
Fun.
What's up, Janaki?
Hey, Miriam.
Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes